Adjustable beds are becoming increasingly popular. They are not just for hospitals anymore. These beds have found their way into many homes. More people are getting them for their homes, and the reasons are clear. Why? Because they want a better night's sleep and improved comfort. The Ghostbed Adjustable Bed is a great choice. It has many features that make it stand out from the rest. It comes in different sizes to fit any room or space. You can choose the perfect one for your needs, ensuring a perfect fit. The bed has a wireless remote control for easy adjustments. You can easily adjust the head and foot of the bed to your liking. It also has massage settings to help you unwind. This will help you relax and fall asleep faster, improving your sleep quality. The Ghostbed is very durable and built to last. It is made with high-quality materials, ensuring longevity. It will last for many years, maintaining its comfort and functionality. The Ghostbed also has great customer service, ready to assist you whenever needed. The Ghostbed Adjustable Bed is great for everyone, offering unparalleled comfort and support. Do you have back pain? This bed can help alleviate discomfort and provide relief. You can adjust the bed to support your back in various positions. Do you snore? The Ghostbed can help with that too, by elevating your head. It can raise your head to a comfortable angle. This opens up your airways, making breathing easier. Do you like to read or watch TV in bed? The Ghostbed is perfect for you, offering customizable comfort. You can adjust the bed to the perfect position for any activity or relaxation. The Ghostbed Adjustable Bed comes in various sizes to fit any bedroom. Whether you need a twin, full, queen, king, or even a split king, Ghostbed has you covered. Each size is designed to provide the same level of comfort and support, ensuring a great night's sleep no matter the size of your bed. Let's talk about the pros of the Ghostbed Adjustable Bed. First, the bed's adjustability allows you to find the perfect sleeping position, which can help alleviate back pain and reduce snoring. The massage settings are another great feature, providing relaxation and helping you fall asleep faster. The bed is also very durable, made with high-quality materials that ensure it will last for many years. Now, let's discuss some potential cons. While the Ghostbed Adjustable Bed offers many benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. Some people might find the bed's adjustability unnecessary if they don't have specific health issues or preferences. Additionally, the bed's advanced features come at a higher price point compared to traditional beds. However, the investment in your sleep quality and overall health can be well worth it. If you're interested in purchasing the Ghostbed Adjustable Bed, you can find it on ghostbed.com. Use the discount code MDTAWID57385 at checkout to receive 15% off your entire purchase. This discount code is valid for anything you shop on ghostbed.com, making it a great opportunity to invest in your sleep and comfort. The Ghostbed Adjustable Bed offers a range of features and benefits that can significantly improve your sleep quality. From its adjustable settings to its massage features, this bed is designed to provide the ultimate sleep experience. Don't forget to use the discount code MTAWID57385 for 15% off your purchase at ghostbed.com. Happy sleeping! An adjustable bed can help you sleep in different positions, tailored to your needs. This is good for your health, promoting better rest and rejuvenation. It can help with back pain, snoring, and even digestion. Adjustable beds are incredibly comfortable. You can read, watch TV, or even work from bed, all while staying comfortable. If you want a better sleep experience, consider an adjustable bed. It could be the change you need. I love my Ghostbed. It is so comfortable. I used to have trouble sleeping. Now I fall asleep quickly and stay asleep all night. The massage settings are amazing. They help me relax after a long day. The Ghostbed is easy to use. I love the wireless remote control. I would recommend the Ghostbed to anyone. It is a great investment in your sleep.